Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm hoping you guys are all having a great day. This is Monkey Loves Weather. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing Winter Storm Heather and the impacts that certain models say that certain areas are going to get and like stuff like that. So without further ado, let's dive straight into this video. We're going to take a look at the European model. This is Saturday morning, this morning. As you can see, we have Winter Storm Heather out in the western part of the United States, bringing some light to moderate rainfall over the coasts of Oregon and California, with some mountain snow for like the Nevada areas. And then we're going to go to 18Z. And then it's going to bring some light to moderate rainfall over pretty much California coast and Oregon coast, with some freezing rain and snow in the mountain areas of the West, and like the Rockies, the northern Rockies. And then we're going to take you to Saturday evening. We have a 995 millibar low pressure system just offshore of Oregon. And that's going to give the Cascades... It's still pretty much going to stall and give heavy precipitation over the west. And then we're going to go to early morning Sunday. And as you can see, we got some mountain snow over Idaho, Utah, the Salt Lake City area, as a secondary low is trying to form over Utah. And then that's going to move to the east. And then that snow is going to move to the east and impact Colorado right around Sunday morning. With a 999 millibar low pressure system right near Denver. And then we're going to take you to Sunday afternoon. We have a 1003 millibar low pressure system just to the south of Denver, with some light snow over Oklahoma and Kansas and Missouri and Arkansas. And then that's going to move to the southeast. And then it's going to bring some light freezing rain to northeastern Texas, northwestern Louisiana, southern Arkansas, and some parts of western Mississippi, with some snowfall, some light snowfall to the north. This is right around Sunday evening, January 14th. And then we're going to take you... And then right by early Monday morning, we have some snow, some light snow spreading into northern Alabama, maybe some of southern Tennessee, northern Mississippi. And then that's going to move to the southeast. And then it intensifies a little bit. And then for like Little Rock, northern Mississippi, like the Memphis area, you guys could be in for some snowfall. And like right around Huntsville. And then look how strong that storm gets. Right about Monday afternoon. As you can see, we got like Knoxville and even northern Mississippi and northern Alabama and eastern Arkansas with some moderate to maybe even heavy snowfall. And then we're going to take you to Monday evening. And then as you can see, we got some of the Appalachians seeing some snowfall, the Knoxville area. And then that's going to continue to spread northeast. And then this is right about early Tuesday morning. And as you can see, we got some light snowfall over the Pittsburgh area, Harrisburg, Philadelphia, Maryland, Delaware, Washington, D.C., New Jersey. Seeing a light snowfall event. And then we're left with maybe some scattered light snow showers over eastern Pennsylvania, and like much of New Jersey, New York City, Long Island, and the interior northeast. This is right around Tuesday morning. And then we have a 1,009 millibar low pressure system right offshore of North Carolina with some moderate to even heavy snowfall over southern New England. Like the Nantucket area. And like eastern Long Island, southern Rhode Island. This is right around Tuesday afternoon. And then that storm is going to move to the east into southeastern Canada with some moderate to even heavy snowfall. And then that storm barely even clips Maine, except maybe a little bit of eastern Maine with some light snowfall. And then that storm clears out. Let me show you snowfall totals out of the European model. And then let me explain to you what you guys can see. If you're in the grays, you're dusting to 1 inch. The blues, 1 to 3 inches. 1 to 3 to even 4 or 5 inches. The purples, 6 to 12. The reds is 12 to 16. And then that's pretty much possible for some of Ontario, upstate New York, and pretty much the Cascades and the really mountainous parts of the West Coast. And then go back to precipitation. I want to take you to the GFS. And then, as you can see, we got Heather out in the northwest. Right around this morning. That's going to move to the east and to the southeast. This model has like a little bit of mixing issues with like Eastern Oregon. Oh, sorry, Western Oregon. With a 990 millibar low pressure system just offshore of Oregon. With some pretty intense mixed precipitation going on out in the west. $992 millibar low pressure system moves a little to the east, and then so does the snowfall. So as you can see, we got some light to moderate snowfall going on for Idaho, and even some heavy snowfall over the Cascades and southern Washington. And then that 997 millibar low pressure system, it looks like it's kind of stalling off the coast of Oregon. And then we have a secondary low forming over northeastern Nevada, bringing some snowfall to parts of the Rockies. And then a 1,003 millibar low pressure system. It appears to just be hugging Oregon. And then 1,006 millibar low pressure system moves a little bit to the southeast. It's now over Nevada and Utah. Still bringing in some snowfall to the Rockies and like northern New Mexico. And then it might even bring some heavy snowfall over some of northern Utah. With a 1,005 millibar low pressure system over eastern Utah. And then the snow even spreads into Nebraska and Wyoming and even Kansas on this run. This is Sunday morning. And then we have a 1,007 millibar low pressure system. It still pretty much stalls over eastern Utah. With still some light to moderate snowfall over western Nebraska and the Rockies. And even like Oklahoma and Kansas are seeing some scattered or even isolated rain or snow showers. Separate from Heather. From Heather. And then we have some snowfall going on for Oklahoma City, Joplin, Missouri, and pretty much a lot of Kansas and Arkansas. This is Sunday afternoon, right around 1 or 2 o'clock p.m. And then that, as you can tell, it has the snowfall a little wiggle to the north. So it gives like the Cape Girardeau, Paducah, or however you say Pacuda, Kentucky, northeastern Tennessee, northern Arkansas, and even some of Oklahoma, some light to moderate snowfall. And then this one wants to pretty much give the Memphis and like Kentucky areas has some snowfall out of this run. So you could definitely tell that this model wants to put it more north. And then it just leaves like eastern Texas, northern Louisiana, and some of southern Arkansas and northern Mississippi. Some light to moderate, some actually just light. Some light frozen precipitation. And it confines the snow to the north. And then still some snow going on for Tennessee, Mississippi, northwestern Alabama, right around early Monday morning. And then still pretty much the same. What just happened? Right around late Monday morning, we have some light to moderate to even heavy snowfall going on for the Little Rock area, the Knoxville, maybe the southern suburbs of Nashville, in like the Memphis areas. And then this storm intensifies a little bit. And then this is Monday afternoon. We have some snow spreading into North Carolina, eastern Kentucky, southern and eastern Virginia, and southern West Virginia. I'm seeing some light to moderate snowfall. And then we have a 1,025 millibar low pressure system right offshore of the Delmarva. And then it's going to clip the Delmarva, like the southern Delmarva, with some light to moderate snowfall. And even western Maryland. And then it gives like some of eastern Delaware some light snowfall. And then this is late Monday night. And then we have some snow clipping the Cape May, New Jersey areas, Delaware, a lot of the Delmarva, and southern Pennsylvania. With some snowfall. And then we have a 1,012 millibar low pressure system right off of the coast of, I would say, Georgia and Florida. And then we have snowfall over New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, some of the Virginias, and even Pennsylvania. And then still snow going on for New Jersey, Philadelphia, Delaware, Maryland. And then still pretty much the same, with the low pressure system moving a little bit, pretty much a lot to the northeast. And then that storm leaves pretty much the New Jersey coast, and it might clip some of southeastern Massachusetts with some light snowfall, with some light snow showers. And then this thing clips some of Maine with some light snowfall right around Tuesday afternoon. And then eventually that moves into southeastern Canada. And then I'm going to show you some snowfall totals. So personally, I think the GFS is currently going a little bit lighter. For this event. Let me show you the euro again, just for a recap. This is how much the euro says that these areas are going to get. And then back to the GFS. Yeah, so the GFS basically wants to put this system slightly to the north. So it pretty much misses Louisiana areas. And then we have some pretty intense freezing rain going on for like southern Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. The Green Mountains, the White Mountains, part of Maine, like the Boundary Mountains. And then I'm going to show you the European. It doesn't appear that the European model wants to make the total freezing rain available to me unless I have Pivotal Plus. So I'm going to take you to the National Weather Service. And then for the current moment, we got snow. We got some winter storm watches, winter storm warnings, and winter weather advisories going on for the Western USA. And then that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please be sure to leave them down below, and I will do my best to cover all of them within 24 hours. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And one more thing, please subscribe if you do like weather-related content. And also, make sure to share this with your friends, family, and social media. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, YouTube.